In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your child's screen time passcode if they've figured it out or you just want to change it up. So what you want to do on your device is go to Settings, and then once under Settings, you want to tap on Family right there. It should be under your iCloud account, so tap on Family. And then go ahead and select the child that you want to change the passcode. Once you are here, you want to go and tap into Screen Time there towards the middle of the screen. And then once under Screen Time, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where you see Manage Screen Time under Restrictions at the very bottom. And then you'll see an option here that says Change Screen Time Passcode. Tap into that option there. And then it gives you two choices. You can either change the passcode or turn it off completely. We want to tap Change Screen Time Passcode. It will ask you for your Face ID or your phone's passcode. Go ahead and type in a new passcode, confirm it once more like so, and as you can see, the passcode has been changed. Now when you try to type in the old passcode on their device, it will not work. If you're on their device, you just open the settings on their iPhone or iPad, tap into Screen Time, tap Change Screen Time Passcode, and then tap Change Screen Time Passcode again. Enter in the current passcode to confirm that it's you, and then you'll enter in the new 4-digit passcode and confirm it. And that's it. That's how you change your child's passcode on both their iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, I have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.